Well, I never hit the record button. Let me walk you through what I did. I took the Spellbinders nested postage labels and tag, and using the second one in, not the smallest, but the next one, I cut out a piece. Oh, that didn't stick. Well, let me try some glue dots. I'll leave it off so you can see. I cut the background out of a dark red, and then I took a white and I embossed it with dots. I took dark red ribbon and made a bow, but I pulled the bow up, and then I did the same thing with the gold and pulled it up. I did kind of hold it in place with glue dots. I did use glue dots because it's just easier. Then I took 2 pieces of pattern paper. They were strips. The red was 5 inches, the other one was 4.5. And I folded them in the middle and joined them to make a bow. And I'm gonna leave that off. Then I took a piece of the Echo Park, a Christmas, what is it called? Christmas Joy tag. I put double-sided tape on the back, and I added some silver tinsel to it. It's wired, and kind of messed it all up. And then this goes on there. I'm going to put it on with a glue dot because it's not sticking. See if it'll stick with the glue dot or with the foam adhesive. And punched my hole and added my ribbon tie on, and there's our tag for today. Sorry it didn't work out. Sometimes every once in a while I'll hit it and then it won't record right. So I hope you enjoyed today's tag. Make sure you come back next Sunday to see what I'm doing. Have a sensational Sunday. Bye.